Dear students, hope you are all doing well. Here we are discussing class 7 English for summative exam 2. Some videos associated with this have already been uploaded. You might have watched them. Today we are going to discuss the lesson 8, the story of Proserpine unit 2, the remaining activities. Okay. First, the activity 14A. Study the set of pictures carefully. Now match the clues with pictures. Write the matching picture numbers in the bracket. The set of pictures. Check your textbook, page number 84 for this set of pictures. Then you can easily answer these questions. Okay. You can find some words, some numbers within the brackets. These numbers are actually the picture numbers in the book, in your textbook. The first answer is a cartman driving a cart. Second one, the wheel sank in mud. Third one, he started praying to God. Fourth one, God appeared ... to the wheel. This dotted portion can be checked from book. Fifth one, cartman pulled the wheel with great effort. And the last one, the cart moved. Okay. Now come to activity 14B. Write a story based on the above clues in about 75 words. Add a title to your story. Clues, these are the clues. We have to develop these clues into a story. Title, God helps the diligent. This is the title. Diligent. Diligent means one who works hard. The story, one day a cartman was driving his cart along a village road in a remote countryside of India. Remote means far off. Countryside means the rural area, rural side. As his cart was empty, it was moving very smoothly. But suddenly the wheels of his cart sank in mud. Mud means wet, loose soil. He tried a lot to pull out the wheels from the mud, but all in vain. All in vain means unsuccessful. Being frustrated, he began praying to the god. Soon, in the disguise of a wise man, the god appeared and asked the cartman to put his shoulders to the wheel. Disguise? Disguise means in the appearance of another person. The cartman did that accordingly. The wheels came out of the mud very easily. The cartman thanked the god and his cart started to move. Okay. So this one is the story. Activity 15. In each group there are 3 sentences. One of them has some grammatical errors. Identify that sentence and underline it. Okay. Group. You have to check your textbook for the groups. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D and Group E. I have just picked up the answers. The correct answer, correct sentences. Correct sentences means the sentence which has an error. Group A. In Group A, the correct answer is this house is our. What is the error? This one. Our. The underline what? This is the error. The correct answer is ours. In Group B, 3. The children is crying. Correct answer is R. In Group C, the bird on the cage has flew away. Flew. Correct answer is flown. In Group D, the cartman ... in a slowly manner. Slowly. Correct answer is slow. In Group E, if you ... you shall work hard. Correct answer is should. Okay. Now come to activity 16. Write a paragraph on recent tree plantation drive undertaken by your school. The paragraph should be in about 80 words. Give the following details. Name and location of your school. Location means where it is situated. Date, time and place of the tree plantation program. Inauguration ceremony. Inauguration ceremony means beginning ceremony. The participants, guest present if any. cultural program to mark the day you roll. This is the paragraph. Tree plantation drive. Okay. See. Our Durgapur ABP High School HS, located at APL Township on the north side of NH2, undertook a program on tree plantation very recently. NH2 National Highway number 2, formerly known as the Grand Trunk Road. The program was held at our school premises on 15th March this year at 10:25 am in the morning. Premises means a vacant place in front of some building or etc. A beautiful inauguration ceremony was arranged by the school authority. Our boys presented a nice acrobatic show and girls sang a chorus song. Acrobatic show means the gymnastic show, and chorus, it is also a song sung by a group of people. The SDO was invited in the program along with local councillor and some eminent persons. Eminent person means renowned persons. Various types of cultural program such as recitation, drama, orchestra, etc. were arranged to mark this day. Orchestra, it is also a musical program presented by instrumentalists, a group of instrumentalists. I recited a poem written by Kazi Nazrul Islam and got applauded by everyone. Okay? Applauded. Applauded means praised. So this is the paragraph. No more today. Take care and stay healthy.